Here is your Storm Team 29 forecast.
Let's get you set up for your Tuesday ahead. Good morning to you. I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Looking outside live in downtown Stanton, we have patchy fog. It's not nearly as widespread as it is across areas mainly east of the Blue Ridge. That's because in this particular part of the Shenandoah Valley, we have some clouds increasing, acting as a blanket, keeping the fog to a minimum. But we are seeing widespread, thicker fog over central Virginia. Here's a look outside live from downtown Charlottesville. It may take until 10 o'clock this morning to get a lot of that fog scoured away. Low 40s right now, Charlottesville, so it's a damp, still chill out here. In the mid 30s to upper 30s for the Shenandoah Valley. My concern for freezing fog is if we had temperatures in the 20s, and that's not going to happen. So just fog and damp and chilly for a few more hours. NBC 29's exclusive dual pole tripled off the radar shows no falling steady raindrops out here, but that fog is thick enough that, yeah, you'll notice perhaps some extra dew or some mist and drizzle on your windshield. But we're talking about overall dry weather through this evening as we have weak high pressure over the mid-Atlantic region. This will keep us rain-free until later tonight and this time tomorrow morning. So by this time tomorrow morning, see the rain from Wichita, St. Louis, Beale Street, Memphis, Oklahoma City. All of this is going to head our way, but it's going to take a while to get here. So that's the next big thing I'm watching from the Weather Center. Let's model it out and track it, shall we? So here we go at 1 p.m. A hazy break of sun. It's not going to be a bright sunny day by any means. Here we go tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Widespread rainfall, but hey, better weather on Thursday with some sunshine, warmer temperatures in the 60s. And then by, say, Friday, Saturday, there'll be a warm front nearby. And that means there could be a couple of showers, especially north of Charlottesville, north of I-64. Then a cold front arrives as we go into early Sunday morning, 8 a.m. Sunday, maybe a scattered shower, then drying out later in the day and also next Monday. All told, rainfall through the weekend only averages out to about a ½ inch. So not expecting severe weather or flooding this go around. So for today, barely 60 in Charlottesville, more like the mid to upper 50s elsewhere. As that fog lifts, it'll be a dry afternoon with a partly sunny sky. Tonight, rain arrives after midnight, so a dry evening. We'll see rain arriving after midnight, lows in the 40s, highs mostly in the 40s tomorrow. Rainy skies, overcast conditions, upper 40s to near 50 degrees. Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Better weather Thursday in the 60s. Off and on rain Friday and into Saturday night. Not a washout though. Low 70s by day, 50s at night.
Now, this morning's Sunrise Stumper, brought to you by University Tire and Auto Centers.
All right, this question is making me hungry this morning. Which state in the U.S. produces the most chocolate? Well, if you guessed Pennsylvania, you are correct. Everyone got this answer right, so I didn't stump anyone this morning. Congratulations to Charlene Carroll of Orange. Charlene, you win this morning's $25 gift certificate to University Tire and Auto Centers and the NBC 29 coffee mug. And there's also a Hershey company in Stewart's Draft, right? All right, we'll be back in just a moment.